What's up, everybody? Welcome back here on the channel. Today we're going to take a look at another 2025 Matchbox 5-pack. Today we're going to take a look at the Rescue 5 set. I got a bunch of these 5-packs for €5 each, which is a pretty good price considering that normally these 5-packs are around 10 to 12 euros here in my area. So yeah, this is a themed set, so all of the 5 models do come in rescue livery, which is pretty cool. And as you can see, we get 4 licensed models and 1 generic model. So let's slide them out. I already cut the packaging open and take a look at them. And let's get started with the first one, which already is pretty cool. The BMW M5 Police. And if you take a close look, we do not only get deco on the side, we also get deco on the front, and that makes this casting look pretty cool. This one looks very, very nice in this deco, in my opinion. Of course, this is called the M5 Police, and now it has some rescue deco, so maybe you are wondering, how does it look with police livery? So here it is. I only do have 3 versions. And as you can see, the one here doesn't have any front details. So it looks yeah, pretty plain there. None of them has deco on the back. But the version in the middle definitely has the best front details and also a license plate. So this one looks pretty cool. Can place the new one and the other one next to each other. Yeah, I mean, a license plate would have been nice on our BMW M5 in rescue deco, but yeah, looks pretty cool. Into the parking lot it goes. What else do we got? The next one is the Matchbox mission helicopter, and well, I don't know, I think this is a pretty odd choice in my opinion for the set. I mean, this thing does look like yeah, combat helicopter, so yeah, I don't think it does look like a rescue thing. I mean, you can extend this part here in the back, which is kind of pretty nice that we get a moving part. Yeah, well, that's all I have to say. So into the parking lot it goes. The next one is an older vehicle, the 1970 Ford Capri RS 2600. I mean, this is a pretty wild mix, this set, to be honest, but yeah. Wheels are a good choice for this one. This one only gets deco on the side, as you can see. Well, that's all we got. And yeah, all there is. So into the parking lot it goes. The next one is also pretty cool. Our fire truck, the Scania P360 fire truck. This one is yeah, pretty nice. I have to be honest, I'm not really sure if there are any fire trucks with such a rescue deco. I don't know. But yeah, I think it looks pretty cool. Deco definitely matches the model. I don't have all of the versions of the Scania fire truck. Here are some of them. Only got 2. So as you can see, our newest version from the 5-pack does have a Scania print on the front, which is pretty cool in my opinion. So yeah, let's put this one to the side and let's compare these 2. Yeah, so the one from the 5-pack looks really good. Into the parking lot it goes. And our last one is the Renault Master Ambulance. Yeah, I don't know. I think they do have newer ambulance castings and better ones. Like I think the latest one is kind of a Ram ambulance. So I mean, this thing looks really plain on the front, and as you can tell from this is from 2011, by the way. We get a plastic body and a metal base, but yeah, we get some kind of interior. I don't have any other versions of this casting, but yeah, can see something going on back in there. Guess there's kind of a stretcher in there, maybe with a person. I can't really see it, just guessing. But yeah, this is our 5th model, and yeah, that's the whole 5-pack. As always, picking a favorite, and in this case, I mean, it's pretty easy. Definitely, it's the BMW M5 with our chrome 5 spokes, rescue deco, and yeah, nothing on the back, but pretty nice details on the front. And that's it. That's all there is to say. Thanks for watching. Happy hunting. See you next time. Bye.